Buddy, go down. Now. Oh, got one. What's up, baby? Yeah. See this guy. What's up, baby? Baby trout. Oh, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna... Alright, guys. Look at this, baby. Baby, brown. Look at those speckles. It's a baby. I don't want to kill it. Ooh, how did you get that, buddy? Wait, chill. Huh. Sorry about that. Alright, so the first trout of the day. It's a baby. First trout. There we go. Goodbye, buddy. Alright. Got one. Finally. Please stay on. What? Oh. Where's my thing? Where's my net? Give me the net, give me the net, give me the net. Give me the net. Alright. Finally, it's a baby. I came all the way here. That's a tiny little trout. Alright. Baby. It's okay. Look at this. Don't go away from me. Not yet, baby. Hey, no. Chill. I'm not trying to let you die. I'm just trying to show them my fish. A baby. A baby little brown. A little bit bigger. He hit right over there. Let's see if there's any more. Right there. Alright. There you go. Goodbye, buddy. Oh. Okay. I don't want to scare it anymore. Got one. Finally. Okay. Is this a stock? Oh my gosh, it's a... Alright guys. First trout. First trout. Oh, that's a beautiful tiny little trout. First trout. It's big. It's not that big, but it's a fish. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna get it out, buddy. There we go. Look at this fish. Right here. It's a bigger one. It's a stocked one, I think. I don't know. But it's big. It's not that big, but let's try to get some more. Alright. So let him go.